Guys, thank you for coming back, for watching all our videos, for subscribing, for sharing, for liking. Today, we have a McLaren P1, fully carbon fiber from top to bottom. Really special day for us. Check this video out, you don't want to miss it.
What you got for me?
Just a beautiful feeling. Just beautiful. P1. I'm telling you guys, this P1 is just amazing. We parked the car, set the wheels straight, got everything ready to go. Let's get the hose out, let's get this baby wet. It's wet, it's ready to get that real foam in it. I'm gonna show you how we use this real foam. I showed you guys how to use it on last video. We got this. Full of foam from top to bottom. Let's get the water out. Let's start spraying. The car is fully washed. It's time to hit the door jams. It's always important when the customer opens that door, we need to make sure we clean all that out. Always make sure if the car has vents like this bad boy, clean out all the vents. Go through the car from top to bottom. It's so crazy that inside the car there's so much carbon fiber and the stitching is amazing. It's literally perfect. We have a few last final touches that we gotta make sure they're perfect. Car is fully done from top to bottom, literally finished. We checked it like 10 times because we were all nervous doing this bad boy. It's time to park it and give them keys back to that customer. I hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe. We're not paying for advertisement. We're doing this on our own. So hopefully with your guys' help and you're sharing to all your friends worldwide and liking it, always leave a comment so we can know what we could do better and better to help you guys laugh and just have a good time on these videos. I appreciate you guys, and don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Get ready for the next video coming up.
What you got?